Hello, my name is Robert Strebeck and I'm a global product manager at Atlas Copco. Our environment is important for all of us as humans. To be environmentally responsible is in the goal statement of most companies because it's the right thing to do, as well as the fact that the customer demands it. This challenge is especially hard for companies offering physical products. All areas of production are subject to tough environmental regulation that will only become more and more demanding. We support our customers by providing knowledge and technology to meet environmental standards in many ways. One of them is to reduce the weight of our customers' products. We also make sure your factory and your supply chain are as efficient and flexible as possible, while constantly improving, making it possible to adapt your production to future challenges. We provide tooling solutions with superior energy efficiency, with the latest battery technology, and software solutions to minimize environmental impact. All are part of smart connected assembly, which is our way of supporting our customers to reach the vision of the fourth industrial revolution. If you wish to know more about smart connected assembly, please visit our website or contact us.